Alright, so today we have a 1969 Starcraft runabout. I picked it up yesterday for $350 on Craigslist. And it's got pretty solid bones. It's got a 40 horse Evinrude 2-stroke, but the transom's got rotten wood. We're going to replace that. And right now I'm trying to take off the top, and I got to take off all these bottom screws. Alright, I got all the screws out, and now I'm going to move on to the other side.
Light shined upon her head, and we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things.
Alright, so I got all the screws off on this side and the other side, but the problem is we have all these rotten screws right here that I'd screw, and it either erode the whole like middle, or they just would spin, nothing would happen. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see down here, they're all hooked into like plywood right there, but we're gonna go ahead and pry them all out, and then we're gonna take this thing off, this guardrail, and then we're gonna take off the pulleys for the steering, take off the motor, and then we're gonna pop the top off and do all the electricity cords over there. But yeah,
We were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our face.
alright, so we got the sides off. We just ended up using a machine because there was no way we could get this off the way we planned to.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan.
Alright guys, so we have all of our screws out except for one more. He's jacking around it right now. Anyway, right here, this is the biggest problem we have, is this rotted transom. And what our plan is to do, we're going to suck all of it out with the vacuum or something. Just get it all out, and then tonight we're going to order something, and it should get here in 2 or 1 days. And yeah, it's going along pretty well. But we're going to get this off, paint it in a few days, paint the bottom, and then we're going to install a ton of stuff, but that'll be for another video.
Light shined upon her head, and we were trying different things.